Ndebanye, ndewonu. Today we're going to learn the names of common food items and how to say them in Igbo. Are you ready? Food on its own is called nri. Nri. When you want to say bread, you say achicha. Achicha. When you want to say rice, you say osikapa. Osikapa. When you want to say beans, you say agwa. Agwa. When you want to say yam, you say ji. Ji. When you want to talk about the cassava swallow, it's called akpu. I believe this is very common. Akpu. Akpu no ofe. Ofe di iche iche anyị na-eri n'ala Igbo. When you want to say general swallow, just swallow generally, you can just say utara. Utara. And finally, the water that you drink to push down your food and help it digest is mmiri. The water we drink to help our food digest is called mmiri. Aha m bụ Princess Enyinna-Okoro, nke si n'Igbo dị mma, ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka na ndị ka na-ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya. Aga m ahụ unu mgbe ọzọ.